Hello guys, so it's a lovely day here in Dunleary at the moment, and the sun is out. It's really beautiful. Wow. We're supposed to eat our breakfast at the IKEA, but unfortunately IKEA is closed for today. So we end up here for our new location for our photo shoot here in Dunleary Harbor. It's a beautiful place. Wow, nice. So to our followers in Instagram, how many followers do we have now?
46. This way.
Yeah, so to our 46,000 followers in Instagram, thank you guys so much for the love and support, and thank you. Oh my God, there's a
Dog.
hey, there's a doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Bye. Bye doggy. Yeah, so as I was saying, to our Instagram followers, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the wonderful messages and support to our kids, and we will continue. What else you want to say? Want to say anything?
To show you some
Huh?
more of our fashion styles.
Yeah.
It's
Hang on.
difficult here because the kids are
Oh my
not
goodness.
throwing
Vince wants to he wants to jump on the ocean,
I want to jump.
Okay, so right now we're just walking here, exploring the area of Dunleary. It's actually my second time coming over here. I've never really explored the place, but it looks like a beautiful town. Oh, look at that.
Mama,
What? What is it?
I just dropped like a mountain.
I think, no, there's a carousel over there. It's like a Ferris wheel. That's where we're going today.
I saw the Ferris wheel in the window.
Okay, hang on a sec. Let me carry you. I need to carry you. Oh, talk to the camera. What will you say?
I see the Ferris in my window.
Your window? Where's your window?
And the car.
Ah, okay. So we're gonna be going over there because we're gonna do your second photo shoot for your for Instagram. So would you like to thank our supporters or followers in Instagram? Come on, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our
To our
46,000 followers
flower
on Instagram.
and Africa.
Nice. I like the way you said that to me. All right. Okay. So to our once again to our followers on Instagram, thank you guys so much for the love and support for our kids. And oh look, I see it now. Hang on.
I see it.
Hang on. Oh, there it is.
I want to go there, Daddy. I see.
I know, we're going over there. Look, there's a carousel, there's a Ferris wheel. And
I'm not going to be scared there. Or I will be scared maybe.
yeah, all right. So there's another
We're going to do so many rides.
yeah, so many rides. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. So
But fakes are always rather bigger than me and Yara and rather maybe afraid of that.
are you?
Yeah. Very nice.
Huh? Oh, I just want to show you the town hall of Dunleary. Here it is. Hang on.
Look there!
I know that. Look, that's a town hall there. It's a town hall. It looks like a church.
Oh, I think it looked like Big Ben. It does look like Big Ben.
It looks like a Big Ben,
Yeah.
but Big Ben is in London. We're here in Dublin, Ireland. We're here in Ireland. We're back home in Ireland.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Look.
Oh, look at that.
It was scary with it.
No, you don't need to get scared. All right, look, we only got an hour to stay here, right? Because our parking over there, we only have less than an hour. So we better we better explore this area quick. It really is a very nice day today here. Lovely day. The sky is blue. The sun is out. Wow. What is that?
It's a boat.
Yeah, that's why we are here. We have to see this. There's so many.
Thing.
Oh, I think this is the yacht club of Dunleary. Wow. Want to go in there? I don't think we can go in though. It looks like it's closed. Oh, Vince, no Vince, not today. We're not allowed to go in there.
Wanna ride an airplane? Come on.
No, we're not allowed to go in here, Vince. Anyway, we're supposed to be going in there, but look, there's so many. It's the yacht club of Dunleary. Uh-oh. Come on. Pose. Get a pose. Come on, one more. Pose.
Di ba kita ko yung yapis?
Show your pose.
Kaya magulang sa video ko.
What? Come on, you gotta face me. You gotta face Daddy on the camera. It's too bad, guys. We have to leave. We're not allowed to go in there. I think it's a private place. So we had to leave. I think we're gonna be going to the playground instead of going in there. Maybe next time. Let's go to the playground. say goodbye now?
Wanna.
Bye now. We're both tired. We're both tired, and we just wanna go home for now. And did you enjoy your day? All right. So okay. Okay, say goodbye now.
Again, okay? We buy more. We
Bye
bring more money.
now. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. She's very tired. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye. Till next time. Bye bye.